everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carrie. I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and today marks the start of another girly week in my life. Today is Monday, and I'm feeling great because I'm off. I have a summer vacation for the first week of July. Today is the 1st of July, so I'm also in a good mood because it's a new month, new half of the year. Just new vibe, new feeling. And I've had a really productive morning so far. I went to the grocery store, I cleaned up, I took a shower, I got cozy, had some yummy food. And now I am going to be working on some content today, and then hopefully I have enough time to also play video games after content today. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me for this week. And if you're curious who's crying in the background, it is of course my son, my bully, my parole officer, Chi boy. He's currently in prison because he was being mean to me. He does not allow for anybody to eat their food without bullying them. Are you wagging your tail? You're cute though, you are cute, even though you're a bully. You ready? Yeah, you're excited. You big bully. I love you though, I love you. I love you. Earlier today, I also went through the products in this bathroom, and I literally organized and emptied out my drawers. Like, this has been such a clustered mess of skincare for the longest time, so I'm feeling happy. I even organized my hair care products, which I can do like a little mini tour on. I have a lot of color wow that I didn't even know I had, including this shine spray for after you heat style. Thank you, Papa. Thank you for checking. So I was really happy to go through this. And then this is just my everyday skincare items, and I forgot I had this as well. This is a makeup melting spray, and it's aesthetically pleasing, but I also really think it's super effective. This is in the back of the drawer, so I tried to organize this so that I had like makeup remover, cleanser, treatments, and then getting into the serums, SPF creams, stuff, like the order in which I put this on my face. And up here I just kept a couple of like random products that I use, like my body serum by Necessaire, this hair oil I was sent by Shuamura, and it's actually really nice. This is a flower bomb that I have an extra of, so I put the mini one in here. I just got some Kiehl's products, so I'm actually just only leaving these out to remind myself to use them. But this is my favorite lip balm of all time, the Hangover Pillow Balm. I have like 20 of these in different scents. This box I recently found when I was cleaning out my vanity, so I just put that here because I liked the little bow, some body butter, and then this is all of our dental stuff. I need to figure out what to do with this side of our bathroom because it's 3 shelves, and originally I wanted to get like a little rod, the expandable ones, and put like a mini curtain here, but I feel like that'll get annoying when we want to use these shelves, so I haven't quite figured out how to make this look good. So if you have any ideas, let your girl know. But now I'm gonna work on filming. I have like 5 or 6 TikToks I want to film, some photos I want to take because I haven't taken photos for my Instagram in a long time, and a YouTube video that you guys will see before this vlog to film of a collective haul. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will see you guys later on today. And I just have my girl Sammy's videos on in the background. I'm honestly gonna put her vlog channel on shuffle because her vlogs are so aesthetically pleasing and also just really cozy. Sammy Moon, I've caught up on all her videos. She is amazing, her content's amazing, and if you like girly aesthetic things, you'll definitely love her channel. I just finished my content. First of all, I feel like this look is so stinking cute. This is not even supposed to be a jacket. It was supposed to be a top that I got like 3 years ago, and it still doesn't fit. It never fit the boobs, so here we are. But I'm feeling girly again. I feel like recently me doing my makeup and trying to get content has just been like, not rushed, but it just hasn't given what it used to give. Like, I think back to 2021, 2022, even some 2020 content I did, and I had more time, but I also like in some ways didn't because I didn't work remote once things started opening back up, but I just felt like I was giving more girliness, and today I feel like I have channeled her again. But yeah, I took so many photos, I filmed multiple TikToks. I think my neighbors are getting work done on their backyard, so sorry. Like I was saying, I just feel like myself again, but now I need to clean up my mess because I always make a huge filming mess. Although I think I did pretty well this time around. I'm going to clean up. Sam is probably going to call me while I'm cleaning because he gets off in like 2 minutes, and then I'm going to transition into doing some laptop work before making dinner. later, the 4th of July. I didn't vlog the past 2 days because you honestly didn't miss anything, but today Sam and I are going to hang out with his family for the 4th of July and go to the pool. So, taking you guys along with me to finish this girly day in my life, days, week in my life, whatever I'm gonna end up calling it vlog. Definitely wanted to finish off this vlog. So it is Saturday the 13th and I'm excited because I am finally about to film something that I have been putting off for literal months, and that is the first and official fullest promo video for my new business. The business that I have been working on, and it's just taken way longer to start than I anticipated, but that's part of the learning, I guess. It's called Residency Reverie. It is officially hopefully going to be launching in August, and it'll be more interactive for everyone who wants to be involved come September, October. But now I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna beautify myself to look like Holly Golightly, and then I'll take you guys behind the scenes of us filming this promo. Today is the 17th of July. It is a Wednesday and I am off today in the middle of the week. I took off originally because I was actually going to be in DC all day, but some plans did have to change, so I'm only going to be in DC for like the first half of the day, but I think it still makes sense because I probably won't get back here until like 2-3 p.m. And if you're curious as to why I'm going to DC, it is because I'm going to play model. I am going to get bridal makeup done. No, I'm not engaged and didn't tell you guys, but I am going to get this done for content purposes. And I'm really excited, especially because in all of my years of wearing makeup and being obsessed with makeup artistry and just everything beauty, I have never gotten my makeup done by someone else. Never have I ever had a makeup artist touch my face. So this is very exciting for me. The artist who's doing my makeup is called Beautifully Flawed Bridal on Instagram, so definitely make sure to check out her profile. The last time I modeled for anything was 2022, and I did this for the first time then, but the bottom half of my hair is a wig, and then I just left out the top portion of my hair because right now it's sunny, but it is slotted to rain possibly today, and my hair my curls like to frizz, okay? Especially when they're not curly, so I figured I'd do this. But I'm kind of proud of how far my hair has come because it's almost as long as the wig. Like, it's getting close. I feel like a year ago, I would not have been able to wear this and blend the two. But now it's like, ooh, she got a full head of hair. This is my little secret to getting my hair to hopefully stay, because you can already see the top is frizzing. We're pinning her back and hoping for the best. Here's what I would look like if I were to be a bride. It is hot out, so you can see that my hair has frizzed compared to the wig underneath it. So this is the reality of my life. The girly, the glam, and the ratchet. I am so happy with my makeup, so thank you again to Brittany. I will leave all of her social links down below. She was a joy, and I learned so much from her, and she used so many great products and had so many good techniques. My baby boy has been so sweet today. You've been a good boy. My baby boy, my baby. baby. You've been so nice. You've been a bully all week, but you're being so sweet.